Still trying to find the perfect kitchen faucet, but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices? The right faucet can completely transform how your kitchen looks, feels, and works every single day. In this video, I've picked 6 of the best kitchen faucets that combine great design, strong performance, and smart features. Whether you want touchless technology, modern style, industrial durability, or the best all-around upgrade, there's something here for every kitchen. Make sure you stay until the end, because the number 1 pick might surprise you. And it could be exactly what your kitchen needs. Let's get started. Number 6. Smart Faucet by Moan. The best high-tech touchless faucet on this list. This faucet offers 4 different ways to control water: voice commands, a smartphone app, motion, sensor, or the traditional handle. You can literally ask Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to dispense a specific amount of water, or simply wave your hand to activate the sensor. The companion app lets you create custom temperature and volume presets, monitor water usage, and even control the faucet remotely. With its reflective chrome finish and advanced smart features, it blends into almost any modern kitchen. Number 5. Kraus Alto Kitchen Faucet. The best modern design option. This faucet features a sleek, tall profile with sharp contemporary styling that instantly upgrades your sink area. It stands about 16.5 inches high with nearly 9 inches of reach, giving you plenty of space for large pots and pans. The Reach technology allows the spray head to pull down smoothly, while dual spray modes switch between a steady stream and a powerful cleaning spray. Soft rubber nozzles resist mineral buildup, and the spot-free finish helps prevent fingerprints and water spots. Installation is easy thanks to pre-attached hoses and snap-on hardware. Number 4. Grohe Eurosmart Dual Spray Pull-Out Faucet. Perfect for kitchens with low cabinets or limited space. Its low-arch design keeps things compact without sacrificing performance. You still get 2 spray modes for filling and rinsing, along with Silk Move technology that provides extremely smooth and precise handle control. Rubber spray nozzles make cleaning simple. Just wipe away mineral buildup with your finger. The durable finish also resists scratches and tarnishing, helping the faucet look new for years. Number 3. Kraus Bolden Touchless Pull-Down Faucet. Best for industrial-style kitchens. With its open-coil spring design and commercial-style look, this faucet brings a professional feel to your kitchen. It includes motion sensor technology, so you can turn the water on or off with a simple wave. Perfect when your hands are messy. There's also an automatic shutoff after 3 minutes for extra safety. The tall spout offers great reach, while the flexible hose and swivel adapter make it easy to clean every corner of your sink. Number 2. Kohler Edelin Kitchen Faucet by Studio McGee. The most premium faucet on this list. Made from solid metal with an elegant finish, it delivers a timeless style that instantly upgrades your kitchen. The spray head offers 3 modes: aerated stream, powerful ring spray, boost mode that increases flow by 30% for faster filling. It also features Kohler's Docnetic magnetic docking system, which keeps the sprayer securely in place after every use. The corrosion-resistant finish helps it maintain its beautiful appearance even with daily use. Number 1. Delta Keel Kitchen Faucet. The best overall kitchen faucet. This model stands out with a ribbon-style curved spout that swivels 360 degrees, paired with a 20-inch retractable hose for maximum flexibility. It includes dual spray modes and Delta's Magnetite magnetic docking system, which keeps the spray wand securely in place so you never deal with sagging hoses. Maintenance is simple thanks to touch-clean spray holes. Just wipe away mineral buildup with your finger. It's also built to meet strict lead-free and corrosion-resistant standards, and tested for up to 500,000 uses for long-term durability. Installation is easy and supports both 1-hole and 3-hole sink setups. And that's our list of the best kitchen faucets you can buy right now. Each one offers a unique mix of style, durability, and everyday performance, so choose the one that fits your kitchen and your needs best. Check the description for links and current prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DIY and smart kitchen upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.